Good afternoon. Hello, how are you? The good bits is that it has created a need for us to create more content, and now we have got a system in such a way that we can scale. We are creating these live videos, and then we chop them into mini videos and create more content out of it by just doing the work once. We have got more content to upload, which has forced us to create even better systems and processes which are scalable. And the team is in place. I believe we've got about 6 people now working behind the scenes, where once I finish these lives, they take over and start working on editing, creating other mini videos and uploading to Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and all of these places. So there's a lot more work which is done after these 20-30 minutes, but it's worth every penny, because especially on YouTube it gets indexed, and YouTube is the second largest engine in the world, after Google, and Google owns YouTube. So the amount of traffic we can generate from here is absolutely amazing. We've doubled up our views, the subscriber rate is growing, the channel is growing. So all in all, the live streams have really accelerated our channel growth. So if you are on the fence and you haven't started your video marketing journey, now this is the right time to do it, because if you don't do it right now, you're never going to do it. You don't have any excuse. All you need is a phone, and that's all you need to get started. Even if you don't have any fancy computers or team members behind you, or the resources or the money, you can just shoot little videos, 15-second or 30-second videos, or a 60-second video, and just start putting yourself out there. And this is where we are right now. It's absolutely incredible how this channel is growing, and I'm super excited to be on this journey along with you, because I'm also learning every day something new, because some of the questions which are sent to me